Hello, my name is Brooke Frischnecht. This is HS401 Community Health Methods, and it is for the winter 2022 semester. Academics, origins, and interests. I'm a junior studying health sciences. I'm from a small town in northern Utah, but I currently live in Arlington, Virginia, which is about 5 minutes outside of Washington, D.C. I love visiting national parks, oil painting, and playing with my niece and nephews, whom I currently live with, and that is wonderful. Tolkien is one of my favorite authors, and he has two of my favorite quotes that say, "All that is gold does not glitter, not all those who wander are lost. The old that is strong does not wither, deep roots are not reached by the frost." And all we have to decide is what to do with the time that is given us. And that helps my anxiety. My experience and goals, my experience with public health, I did a lot of work with clothing and food banks when I was on my mission, which was just outside of Seattle, with collection and organization and distribution, working with the community that needed access to clothing and food banks. I've worked for 4 years in a medical office where I've done reception and billing and worked with insurances, and then switched to do on-the-job training and work with patients and with the doctor. I've also done some volunteer work with the COVID-19 vaccine and distributing that. Additionally, my goals are that I would like to graduate from BYU Idaho and move on to medical school to become a medical doctor. My hopes for this course are that I'd like to learn more about health education specialists, what they do, what their reach is. I'm interested in that, and more knowledge about public health in general. Thank you.